Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to add a watermark to your Google Doc. It's really simple. First of all, open up your Google Docs, then go to Insert, and here you will see watermark. Click on it, select your image. I'm gonna select this flower image for my watermark. And once it's done, there you have it as a watermark. Of course, you can choose an image, a text. You can choose whether you like the image faded or not, and what is the scale. So once you do that, click done. And then there you have it. You have your watermark. Now thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video if you found it helpful. And I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.